Who in here has been stopped at the border recently?
Ernie Stryker from Home Hardware Stores Limited is your 2025 Rick Austin Memorial Dispatcher of the Year Award winner. Now, for the class of 2025, we have 2 professional drivers to introduce today, each of whom have outstanding service records. The 2 inductees combined for over 65 years and over 6.6 million kilometers of accident-free driving. Truly phenomenal numbers. Our first inductee is Jason Mooney. Our next inductee is Wayne Burnett from Home Hardware Stores Limited. I'll ask Wayne and his companion Tracy to please come forward.
Different training levels that exist now. Can we not hit the end goal by just looking at those individual levels? Do we need to go as far?
This year's winner is James Hartman from Giant Tiger Wholesale. Our first award is a small fleet category. 25 trucks and under goes to Hydrogen Technology and Energy Corporation. Our second award in the medium fleet category falls under 75 trucks, goes to Flying J Canada Transport Inc. Another private fleet safety award in the large fleet category, over 75 trucks, goes to Giant Tiger. And coming up to the award, to accept the award, are everyone.
Recognition from PMTC. While I haven't got the opportunity to work with PMTC, but yet I am glad. I am genuinely grateful for the acknowledgement and also deeply encouraged by your belief in my potential. I look forward to the journey ahead. Thank you so much.
We have Ridwan Corbinali, Jasmine Carr, Vaishali Khanna, Kwabena Nkrumah, and Jerome Pareso.
There's still ways to stay properly groomed. It's in regards to the presentation of yourself, wearing a proper shirt, not a mustard-stained t-shirt.
Scheduled assessment is deployed to their phone before they come on site. They're actually doing it, and it's a 90-second assessment that gives them a reference of how they are actually performing.
I also want to thank everybody that volunteered their time to help stuff the delegate bags and helped out any way they could. A huge thank you to PMTC Executive Assistant Annette Keefe for a fantastic job again this year. Helping organize the conference, working with the hotel, the convention center staff, and ensuring everyone was looked after and went off without a hitch. Please stand and thank Annette for me. And for all.